In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted users in Google Workspace. Before we begin, a quick overview. Restoring a user is something you do from the Google Admin Console, and you'll need an admin role with permission to manage users. Also remember, Google Workspace gives you a limited window to bring someone back after deletion, so this process is designed to help you act quickly and accurately. Start by opening your browser and going to the admin console. Sign in with your administrator account so you can access the controls you need. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page, which is your hub for managing people, apps, and settings across your organization. Next, look for Directory. This is where all your user and group management happens. Click Directory, then choose Users. The Users page lists all accounts in your domain and provides tools to narrow down what you're looking for. At the top, you'll see options to search and filter the list, which is exactly what we need for recently deleted accounts. Click Add a Filter. Filters help you focus on a specific subset of accounts so you don't have to scroll through everything. From the filter options, select Recently Deleted. This view shows accounts that have been removed but are still within the restore period. If your list is long, use the search bar to quickly find the exact person you're trying to recover. Now, select the user you want to recover. Click their name to highlight the account. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right user by reviewing the visible details. Restoring a user will re-enable their account and, if it's within the allowed time frame, brings back access to their services and associated data such as email and files. Keep in mind, the account needs an available license to be reactivated, so make sure your organization has one free. When you're ready, click Continue. This moves you through the restore flow and applies the changes to bring the account back online. You may see a brief confirmation step. If the system detects anything that needs attention, such as a licensing conflict or a username that's already in use, you'll be guided to resolve it before finishing. That's it. After completing the process, the user's account is active again, and services begin to function as data repopulates. Give it a little time for everything to sync. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check back shortly. You've successfully restored a deleted user in Google Workspace.